Hoodoo for beginners. Hoodoo is an African American folk magic and spiritual tradition that came about through blending West African spiritual beliefs, African American traditions, and elements of indigenous American knowledge. Hoodoo is not a formal religion, but rather a system of beliefs and practices that is centered around ancestor veneration, healing, protection, and divination. Rootwork. Rootwork involves using herbs, roots, and other natural materials for healing, protection, and other purposes. Rootwork is rooted in the belief that the world is a place where magic and the supernatural are real and can influence human lives. This belief is often intertwined with spiritualism and ancestor veneration. Rootwork varies from each practitioner. Conjure Hoodoo. Conjuring is about summoning power with intention, whether that power is within, ancestral, spiritual, or elemental. When someone says they are conjuring, they are calling forth energy, intention, or power that already exists within themselves and bringing it to the surface to work with it consciously. Or they are calling on the spiritual forces outside of themselves, like ancestors, spirits, deities, or natural energies to aid them in their work.